Confused between data engineer, data analyst, and data scientist? Don't worry, let's decode the differences in under 60 seconds. A data engineer is the architect of the data world. They build and manage data pipelines, databases, and infrastructure. They work with tools like Apache Spark, SQL, Python, and cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, or Azure. Without them, there's no clean or usable data. A data analyst turns raw data into valuable insights. They use SQL, Excel, Power BI, and Tableau to identify trends and support decision-making. They're the storytellers of the data world, turning numbers into narratives. A data scientist goes a step further. They use machine learning, statistics, and programming to build predictive models. They answer complex business questions using data science tools like Python, TensorFlow, and scikit-learn. Here's the bottom line. Data engineers build the data pipelines. Data analysts explore and visualize the data. Data scientists predict the future using data. All three roles are crucial. Which one suits you best? Like, share and subscribe for more data career insights.